monitor the car, not the driving. But if he wants to drive the car, he will just convert it to manual mode.
Manual mode.
Manual mode.
Oh,
He
convert
can
to
drive.
manual.
He can drive the car in manual mode or in automatic.
Automatic mode.
But
There is
if
two
he,
modes.
but if he wants, there is another mode, another special mode, which is I am calling semi-transmission mode. Semi-transmission mode.
Semi-transmission
So
mode.
it's like a bridge between the manual and the automatic.
Wow.
So
Bridge.
what will
Bridge
do is
between manual and automatic.
what will do is you will handle the steering, acceleration, and everything.
Sure.
The AI will do the accident prevention. So you will have a dedicated accident prevention, an AI assistant
Assistant.
without driving.
So why is the accident
okay.
prevention?
So if I show the implementation, let's say you are driving the car. Okay.
Sure.
You're driving the car. Let's say you are maybe like in sleepy mode, and you're either closing. So you're driving the car and you see a wall after. So after you see a wall, you can't just engage the brake. Like you are not in sense right now.
Of course.
So what the AI will do is AI will just see there is a wall coming on. No braking.
the
No
front of
braking
the
is
car.
happening here.
Yeah.
So it will just engage the braking because he knows if we go further, it will just be accident. Okay. Okay. So this is I'm calling a semi-transmission mode. This is a bridge between the automatic and the manual. It's not fully manual, not fully automatic.
So
Semi-automatic.
it is now it is functioning here.
Yeah, fully functioning.
If I want to see something.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so let me show you this here.
Sure.
Okay. So let me show you the smartphone control first.
Oh, there is apps also.
Yeah.
It is connected
So
over
we have-
the. It is
we
now
have
over the
developed
net.
apps. Let's connect.
Over the Wi-Fi.
Yeah. No, it's connecting by Bluetooth right
Oh,
now.
okay,
But
local
the
network.
Bluetooth is
Bluetooth.
very high frequency.
Exactly.
So, okay,
Whoa, exactly. Right.
it's like instant.
It is
There is no
functioning
delay. There is no
There is no
delay in
delay.
transmission. We can control the speed. If we want slow, we can increase the speed. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say there is a wall.
Okay, sure. So what
Let's
should
go
be
on.
going on? Okay, what should be going on?
See.
No.
Okay.
It is
Go
not
back.
going
Let's go back.
forward, right? Why not going for the front of the wall?
Okay. Nothing is going on. Why nothing is going on? Because there is a wall here.
Oh. This is, you can say that this is
Yes.
semi-transmission.
Yeah, this is semi-transmission. I am controlling the car.
But
the braking is
Yes.
controlling by him because I am giving him to go forward.
The command
There
is
a
not
wall.
the command is not working properly.
No.
Because of the car
Okay.
stop automatically.
Okay. So let's see. There is a wall. The back, left, right, everything is
Everything
working.
is
There is no
working.
problem. But if I go here, there is a wall. If I go more, it will be just an accident.
This is the fabulous project.
Yes. Thank you.
So I go to another question to you.
Yeah, sure.
Because of if we want to implement this project, how many costs it will be?
Okay, so let me tell you my main mission. You know, on these automatic car markets, the Tesla is the biggest player in this field.
Exactly.
Exactly. So when a Tesla car comes to Bangladesh, if the car is maybe minimum one crore,
1 crore.
which is like very hard to get for the normal people.
Exactly.
They can't afford that. So my dream is to make this car affordable and better than Tesla within the price range that people can afford. Like people are buying let's say Toyota for 20-25 lakhs. Why he can buy this? Well, this is an automatic car.
Automatically, yes.
This will create a new road to the smart automation. Okay, smart automobile in Bangladesh.
If you want to buy the convenient price, so it's
Yeah.
possible.
Yeah, it's possible, but we have to see the cost taken because there will be a lot of things going on the big things on the big model of the car. So we have to see. Okay.
There is some this is the wheel,
This is the wheel, the body.
which is the body, the battery.
Yeah, the battery, the switch. This is a voltage regulator. You can say this is stabilizing the voltage.
This is the
Yes, this is a stabilizer. This is the motor controller. It controls the motor where to go, where to move.
motor controller.
Yes.
Right. And
This is the main board. This is the Arduino Uno board. This is the main microcontroller.
so the software is
On
in
here.
here, right?
On here.
Who are make the software? You group. You only
Yes.
one.
No, I have team, but they are not.
About your group, right?
Yes.
So this is the
Yes,
reducing
this is the Bluetooth module.
Yeah,
The
reducing
Bluetooth
module.
It's getting the. This is the main sensor that will just measure the distance between that. How this works is it sends an ultrasound.
Ultrasound?
Yes, ultrasound. The sound is not hearable by our ear. It sends the sound.
Echo, right?
Yes.
Like an echo.
When the sound bounces and come back, it just calculates the distance how much it is.
That's why here is two.
Two. One is the transmitter, one is the
Yeah,
receiver. Receiver. Then it just like calculates the distance and that's
Same
how everything is
thing.
going on the microphone. Chapanakul Government Technical School. Last 10. No, it's another. This is my father.
Very nice.